So let's learn how can we perform subtraction using Excel. So let's take some random numbers, 65 and let's say 54. So I want the subtraction, that is difference of 65 and 54. So the first method is just select the cell in which I want the answer, final answer, and write is equal to. Remember that you should always write is equal to sign. Then just if you have small data, like I have just a data consisting of two cells, then you can use this method. Just type 65, then a minus sign and a 54, and just hit the enter button, and you will get the difference as 11. So this is the difference of 65 and 54. But if you have got large numbers, or you're bored of typing, then you can use another method. For this I will use this. So then just select the cell, that is the, or type the number, the name of the cell actually. So this is this cell, that is E3. So I will select it, minus E4. So E3 minus E4 will again give you this result as 11. So and when you click it, you will get the formula of how did we just came up with 11. Now let's take some another number. Let's take three numbers in arranged in descending order. Let's take some bigger numbers, 99, 34 and 23. Oops. And 23. So again I want the difference of these. So I will use the method, this first method. So this is my method 1. So I need to cancel this, is equal to, yes. So this is my first method, and this is the second method that I used, that is by directly inserting the formula. So first let's insert the numbers. So 99 minus 34 minus 23, and the answer is 42. So you can take out your calculators, or you can even take out your pen and pencil and calculate it. And let's solve this using the second method, that is using the formula. So I have is equal to, which is a must, G11 minus G12 minus G13, and hitting the enter. Oops, I did something wrong actually. I mistakenly took some. Oops. See, this was such a small mistake. You can check out, I used two minus signs and it went on minus minus plus, and hence the whole answer went wrong. So now it will be okay, I guess. Yes, so sorry for that. So again I have this answer as 42, and you can have this formula as G11 minus G12 minus G13, that is 99 minus 34 minus 23. And in this way we have performed subtraction using Excel. Again I will suggest that using calculator is easier, but for larger numbers, for larger data, Excel always works best. And if you have Excel in your home, then you can, with the help of this video, you can try out with some another numbers. You can even pause the video at times you feel, and then you can just carry on your work and become an expert in Excel. Thank you.